Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are having a great time. First of all, I'm sorry for not posting the video for so many days due to I was busy with my personal work. So today we will see about the monthly dropshipping product which you can use for your dropshipping. Now let's jump into my browser and see. First on my list is this flash walking pig toy. Friends, when I first saw this, I felt like this is the product you must have on your dropshipping list. Now let us see the video. You can see how cute it looks and you can make a small TikTok videos of using this one, guys. And this is really eye-catching and it should must have on your list. Second on my list is this cute looking bird toothpicking, guys. This looks so cute and very attractive. You can check out the full video here how you can just bend this bird and pick the toothpicking. It is really one of the best product which I think you have to have it on your dropshipping list. Now you can see how it works. See, guys, this is also one of the TikTok video making item, guys. Now third on my list is this funny toy, and it is also called as an interactive bracelet for kids. This also looks cool for kids, guys. You can check it out on this video how kids are using this. A fourth on my list is this lip balm with oval shape. This is also an okay product which you can list for an initial start of selling the product. It comes with multicolor. You can have a different combination of the lip balm inside this, or you can make it as a lipstick also if you can try with the vendor. And it has a lot of other varieties if you can scroll down and check it out how it is used. And that's all, guys, for this video. Hope you have enjoyed this and thanks for watching my video, friends.